Today we are going to start Unit 2 Project Planning. Unit 2 covers objectives and scope, scheduling, work-based structure, estimation, resources, PERT, CPM and PDM. Topic 1 Project Objectives. Project objectives are clear statements that describe what the project must achieve within given constraint of time, cost and quality. Okay. Characteristics of good objectives. Learn it using SMART, where S stands as clearly defined goal, measurable progress can be measured, achievable, realistic and possible, relevant, support, organization, goal, time bound, has a fixed deadline. Importance of project objectives. Provide direction to project planning, help in monitoring and control, act as basics for performance evaluation. You can give example as to complete a software development project within 6 months and approved budget. Project scope definition. Project scope definition. Project scope defines the total work to be done in a project. It clearly states what is included and what is excluded. Scope definition includes project deliverables, project boundaries, constraint and assumption. Acceptance criteria. Project statement. A scope statement is a document that formally describes the project objectives, deliverables, limitations and exclusions. Scope creep. Scope creep is the uncontrolled expansion of project scope without changes in time, cost or resources. Causes: poor scope definition, frequent changes by stakeholders, lack of formal change control. Effects: delay in scope completion, increase in project cost, reduction in quality. Control: clear scope statement, proper change control process, regular monitoring. Next, project scheduling levels. Project scheduling means deciding when and how project activities will be done. Project scheduling is done at different levels so that planning and control become easy. There are 3 important scheduling levels. First one is strategic level scheduling or master scheduling. Important: prepared by top management, shows only major milestones, gives an overall view of the project, used in early stages of the project. Purpose: long-term planning, important decision making. Second one is tactical level scheduling. Important: prepared by middle management, divides the project into phases and major activities, helps in resource planning. Purpose: monitoring project progress, coordinating different departments. Third, organizational level scheduling. Important: prepared for day-to-day work, shows a small task, start time and finish time, used by project team. Purpose: daily work execution, short-term control. Next topic is work breakdown structure, WBS. Work breakdown structure is a method of breaking the total project into smaller and manageable parts. In simple words, WBS divides a big project into small tasks so that planning and control become easy. Important points. Work is divided step by step. Each level shows more detail. The lowest level is called a work package. WBS covers 100% of project work. These are the described levels of WBS. First, project level, that covers whole project. Second, deliverable level, that covers the major output. Third, task level, activities and sub activities. Fourth, work package level, smallest unit of work. Advantage of WBS: better planning and scheduling, easy monitoring and control, no work is missed, improves team coordination. Importance of WBS: helps in accurate time estimation, helps in current cost estimation, makes project planning easy, assigns clear responsibility, reduces project complexity. Next topic: resource scheduling, resource allocation and budgeting. Resource include manpower, machines, materials, money and time required to complete a project. Resource scheduling. Resource scheduling is the process of deciding when and how resources will be used during the project. Important points: ensures resources are available when needed, avoid overuse or underuse of resources, improve project efficiency. Resource allocation. Allocation means assigning available resources to different project activities. Important point: right resource to the right activity. Helps in smooth project execution, reduces conflict among activities. Budgeting. Budgeting is the process of estimating the total cost of project and allocating cost to different activities. Important points include cost of labor, material, equipments, and overheads. Helps in cost control, forms the cost baseline of the project. Its level can be assigned as estimate total cost, then allocate cost, then different activities. Next topic is time estimation and scheduling. Time estimation. Estimating how much time is required to complete each activity of the project. Method of time estimation: expert judgment, past experience or historical data, analogous estimation, PERT estimation, which is important. Scheduling, arranging project activities in a proper sequence and deciding their start and finish time. Importance of scheduling: helps track project progress, identifies delays early, improves coordination among team members. Steps in estimation and scheduling. These are the steps: identify all project activities, decide the sequence of activities, estimate time required for each activity, then prepare the project schedule. Next, PERT or Project Evaluation and Review Technique. This is important. PERT is a project management technique used to plan and control projects when time is uncertain. PERT is mainly used for large and complex projects where activity time cannot be predicted exactly. Important features are: time is probabilistic, not fixed, used when activities are uncertain, focuses on time estimation, uses network diagram. There are three estimations in PERT: optimistic time represented at T node, most likely time TM, pessimistic time TP. The formula, which is written as expected time is equal to optimistic time plus 4 of most likely time plus pessimistic time TP divided by 6. इसको एग्जाम में ज़रूर लिखिएगा. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज PERT के यूजेस, एडवांटेजेस और लिमिटेशंस. यूजेस ऑफ PERT: helps in project planning, identifies critical activities, manages certainty in schedules. Advantages: useful when time is uncertain, helps management in decision making, improves project control. Limitations of PERT: time estimation may be subjective, complex for small subjects. Next, CPM, Critical Path Method. Critical Path Method is a project management technique used to plan, schedule and control projects where activity is fixed. CPM is mainly used for projects with known and certain time estimates. Important features of CPM: time is deterministic, fixed, used in construction, engineering, production projects. Focuses on time and cost, uses network diagram. Critical path, very important. The critical path is longest path in the project network. It decides the minimum project completion time. Activities on the critical path have zero float. Delay in any critical activity delays the entire project. Steps: list all project activities, arrange activities in sequence, draw the network diagram, calculate earliest and latest times, identify the critical path. Uses of CPM: helps in project scheduling, identifies critical activities, help in time control. Advantages: easy to understand, help reduce project duration, improves planning and control. Limitations of CPM: not suitable when time is uncertain. Network becomes complex for large projects. Next topic is PDM, Precedence Diagramming Method. Precedence diagramming method is a project scheduling technique in which activities are represented by nodes and relationships are shown by arrows. It shows logical relationships between project activities. Some features are: activities are shown as boxes or nodes. Arrows show dependency relationships, more flexible than CPM network, widely used in project management software. Types of precedence relationships: finish to start, finish to finish, start to start, start to finish. Read this. Uses as and advantages. Uses helps in detailed scheduling, shows activity dependencies clearly, useful for complex projects. Advantages of PDM: easy to understand, supports overlapping activities, suitable for computer based scheduling.